Hey guys, Tech Made Easy. And if you're here, it's because you're interested in a stronger cup of coffee. Guys, I've been using Keurigs for almost 10 years now. I remember the first machine, and I can tell you, I have never had at home a very strong cup of coffee like I am with this machine. This is the Keurig K Supreme Plus version. Plus, that's the key word. Okay, this uses multi-stream technology, so it actually totally drenches the coffee grounds. Okay, this also has a 4-ounce option. If you just want that small cup of coffee that's nice and strong, you can also do 6-ounce. I do that as well. This has presets, okay? So for you, your wife, your family, you guys have to check out my video. At the end of this video, I'm going to put a link in the description and also on the video so you can see my head-to-head with this machine versus the K Elite and the Supreme. But guys, the strength settings on this machine are phenomenal. And it's the one thing that works because the temperature doesn't really work that well on this, but I'm not worried about that. So I can actually adjust the strength setting from 1, 2, and 3. And that really works. It is amazing how it slows the water down so that you can actually taste the difference. I am going to show you in time 2 cups, one regular and one on strength setting number 3. But don't forget, it's not just the coffee maker, right? This retails for $189. It is also the coffee. Guys, I also use this when I need a strong cup. Green Mountain Dark Magic. This thing is a dark roast coffee, extra bold blend, 100% Arabica beans, described as deep and intense as the night itself. I mean, that's a lot to say, but it is true, right? So stay tuned. You're going to want to see this video coming up. It's going to show how much longer it allows the water to pass through to make you that really strong cup. Don't forget, strong coffee and a good machine. Both of these will be in the description as well if you're interested in getting all this stuff. Questions, comments, but here we go. Okay guys, so Brooklyn and I are here in the kitchen. We've been working real hard for you guys making this video. Isn't she cute? Anyway, I am going to go ahead and do a test. Over the last couple of days, I have been having a stronger cup of coffee in the evening when I need it, that extra kick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a new cup of coffee here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to put a cup here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a 6-ounce cup of coffee. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 1 6-ounce regular strength, and I'm going to make 1 full strength. So as you can see here, if you look at strength, it's got 1 bar. So just a regular 6-ounce. How long does it take for a 6-ounce to come out? And then how long will one come out on the strongest setting? That'll be interesting. So let's go ahead and grab the phone. Let's hit 6-ounce. Let's go ahead and hit start. And let's see what happens. All right. Should be halfway done. I think it takes about a minute on a regular cup. Okay, 59 seconds. Let's hit stop, reset. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to grab my cup, take it out, put a fresh one in. All right, I'm going to drink this one. But put the cup in, close that, it punctures. I'm going to now make the strength super strong. So I want 2, level 3. 3 levels of strength. Guys, The water to coffee ground saturation should definitely be a big difference here. All right, so sorry for the camera. I'm trying to just adjust it so it's the best. All right, so the strength temperature is all the way up. I'm going to go ahead, hit 6, and start. Should be definitely over a minute, because what it does is it slows the water down to make this cup of coffee stronger with more water to coffee connection. So the water is going to go slower through the K-cup to get that strength out of the coffee. Now, a 4 ounce is going to be pretty strong. A 6 ounce is probably going to be, just right. The more water you put in the coffee, obviously, the less strong it's going to be. So you don't want a 12 ounce, especially in a regular K-cup. If you do, then you're going to want to use the My K-cup and put more coffee in it. Again, I'll make sure this is in the description to pick one of these up. But using a My K-cup and filling it is going to make a difference here. So we are coming up to 59 seconds. It is still putting water to the coffee. As you can see here, this is the highest setting, so it slows that water down to kind of make the water connect to the coffee a little longer to make it stronger. All right, let's see. And there you go, an hour, a minute and 26 seconds. A minute and 26 seconds. Me and Brooklyn are happy with that. So you get 27 seconds more connection time with your water and your coffee. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Give us a thumbs up. I hope this video was helpful in some way. Also, click the Tech Made Easy logo coming up on the upper right-hand side. And I'm also going to have my Keurig video right here. One of the ones you're going to want to see. All right, I'll put the battle of the premium coffee makers right here.